are what then? The suicide bags of the cell. Golgi apparatus are what? Postman of the cell. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum are what? Lipid synthesizing machinery. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. In the rough endoplasmic reticulum, what happens? The synthesis of protein takes place. These are the common functions of these organelles of the eukaryotes. Then the ribosome. Now the ribosome is also one of the important cell organelle of eukaryote. It is which type of ribosomes are present? The 80S type of ribosomes are present. Larger subunit is of 60S, smaller subunit is of 40S, and they present on into the cytoplasm as well as the onto the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Their positions are two. One is the cytoplasm and another is on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. They have two functions. Important two function is there. In the cytoplasm, they produces the cytoplasmic proteins. Where the cytoplasmic proteins is required, they go in that destination. And the rough endoplasmic reticulum क्या करता है? They produces the proteins which are secretory proteins, which are produces secretory one. Why they are secretory? Because after rough endoplasmic reticulum, proteins are produced and they are transferred to Golgi apparatus, and then Golgi apparatus is secreted that protein is there. Like this way, there are two types of the, depending upon the position of the ribosomes, they produces the two types of the proteins is there. One is the cytoplasmic protein and another is the secretory protein is there. Depending upon where ribosome is present and what type of the protein they produces one. Ribosome का है? It is acting as a protein synthetic machinery. Remembering, it provides a site for protein synthesis. mRNA come from the nucleus. mRNA come from the nucleus and it will bind to these ribosomes, and then ribosomes synthesizes the protein onto it. That means it provides the site for synthesis of the protein is there. And which type of the ribosomes are found into the eukaryote? 80S. 40 plus 60. 40 plus 60 becomes 100 one. Why it is 100? And how can we say that this large ribosome is of the eukaryote is 80S? Where is the 20S? Okay, this is the question for all of you. Think over it and I will tell you the answer for it. Why there is 80S? Why not the 100S? Okay, uh, then the next organelle from the eukaryotes are the intermediate filaments or the cytoskeleton. I will explain to you what is the cytoskeleton is there. There are three types of the cytoskeleton material ahead. One is the intermediate filament, second is the microtubule, and the microfilaments. Microfilament एक है. Then second one is the intermediate filament, and third one is what? Microtubule is there. Depending upon their size, from the smaller to the larger one, the name of the cytoskeleton is being defined one. Now, what is the function of this intermediate filament basically? First, we will discuss about the microfilament. Micro means what? The small one. Intermediate means what? Intermediate between the microtubule and the microfilament. So the name suggests that the size of the intermediate filament is between the microfilaments and the microtubules one. आता what is the function of these cytoskeleton basically? आता microfilaments काय काम आहे? All of you know that the mitosis is there. Mitosis मध्ये काय होता है? There are phases: interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and lastly the cytokinesis is there. In that cytokinesis, काय है? Cyto means what? The cell. There is a division of the two cell. From one cell there is a formation of two cells, and then last stage is the cytokinesis. It means that cytoplasm is also divided into two, and that is called as the cytokinesis one. And that cytokinesis plate, whatever the cell is divided into two, is because of the microfilament is there. Microfilament is there. It forms into that two cells, and मग काय होता है? There is a division of one cell to the another cell in the cytoplasmic point of view too. uh, uh, one more function is in the basically muscles मध्ये that these microfilament are very important. plays a very important role in a muscle contraction and the relaxation. All of you should remember, if you remember in the connective tissue, muscle as a connective tissue मध्ये त्यांना मी सांगितलं होतं की these filaments are very very important one. That is a microfilament one. Then the intermediate filament is there. This is again a very important filament which is coming under the cytoskeleton. Cyto means what? The cell is there. Skeleton म्हणजे काय आहे की सेलला ते काय करत आहे, स्केलेटन प्रोव्हाइड करते, एक साइज शेप they provide to the cell is there. And if that shape get disturbed, if that filament is not present, then there is no skeleton in present into the cell. There is a no shape for the cell is there, and that is nothing but the which is given by the shape, and the definite skeleton is provided by this intermediate filament for the cell wall. Now, the best example for intermediate filament is not working is not working बरं का. इंटरमिजिएट फिलामेंटचं काय काम आहे, इट प्रोव्हाइड्स काय करतं आहे, शेप टू दॅट युकॅरियोटिक सेल्स. कारण की काय बेसिकली इन द युकॅरियोट्स there are two types of the cell. One is animal cell and another is the plant cell. In the plant cell there is a definite cell wall is present, and because of that they get the shape, different shape, hexagonal, like circular, like this way the shape they get into the plants one. But in the animals there is absence of the cell wall, and they don't have definite cell wall, and they don't have the definite attachment from one cell to the another one. In that this cytoskeleton plays an important role. The intermediate filament क्या करता है इसमें? They gives the shape to that cell is there. They gives the provides the strength to that cell is there. The intermediate filament is there. The best example for it, the best example is of all of you seen, I think, you heard about that picture, pa picture. Everybody knows that. Yes, yes, yes. Tirumala, Shivam, everybody knows that picture, na? Pa picture. In that, what happens? The progeria. Progeria means what? The early aging is there. Okay, that child getting early aged during their 12 years of age is attended all its aging factors. That means its internal organelle get deteriorated, its skin get deteriorated. Why? Because what is the reason behind it? Because of one of the intermediate filament. One of the intermediate filament does not plays in role into it, or it get affected. That intermediate filament get affected, genetically get affected. Kahe genetically that intermediate filament is get affected, and because of that there is no shape to that cells of that person. ओके. आणि त्या सेल्स त्या पर्सनला ते मिळालंच नाही, प्रोटेक्शनच मिळालं नाही त्या सेल्सला, तर मग काय होणार आहे? दॅट अर्ली एजिंग इज देअर आर. आपल्याला एजिंग मध्ये काय होतंय, व्हॉट हॅपन्स इन द अर्ली एजिंग टू अस? देर इज डिटोरिएशन, देर इज अ लो इम्युनिटी इज देअर, the wrinkle screen is there, we cannot go, we cannot walk easily as much in the younger age. All these attended very fastly into that individuals is there, and that is the importance of these intermediate filaments. All of you getting now? All of you getting me now? Okay. The intermediate filament is what it gives a shape and the protection to the cell, and more precisely to the animal one. Okay, not to the plant, because plant have cell wall, animals have cytoskeleton into it. This is about the intermediate filament. And then microfilaments in the microtubules. Microtubules are somewhat largest among all the cytoskeleton, from microfilaments to the intermediate filaments. The microtubules are larger one, and they are arises from these centrioles. Okay. Yes, centrioles pasun they are arises basically, and they are very important into the cell divisions. Cell division मध्ये तुम्ही ऐकलंय का कुठं microtubule formation, tubule into the cell cycle? Okay, at the metaphasic plate there is a pooling of chromosome takes place. There tubule काय आहे? Is nothing but the microtubules are there. These microtubules functions that one. What? That pulling of the chromosome from each other to the into the cell. म्हणजेच काय आहे म्हणजेच they are plays important role in the cell division. Cell division मध्ये chromosome separation करिता लागते and they are arises from the centrioles. There are presence of the two centrioles. Remember in mind that okay there are two centrioles into it. ठीक आहे. Then काय काय बघितलं आपण what we see into it now, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, centrioles, ribosomes, intermediate filaments, lysosomes. Okay, vacuole. Vacuole is generally not seen in the animal cell. It is generally seen into the plant cell, but both are eukaryotic cell. So we will discuss about this vacuole also in last unit. We discuss about this vacuole. Vacuole is what? It storage the food material or air into the plant basically. What is the function of this vacuole then? Is nothing but what? The storage of the food materials basically. We can say that, and it is a double layer organelle and which is commonly present into the plant one. Okay, then nucleus. The very important part of the eukaryotic cell is the nucleus is there. Nucleus in them, they have one, all of you can see in the dark red region, there is a presence of one organelle which called as the nucleolus is present into the eukaryotes, which is absent into the prokaryotes because there is no definite nucleus in them. So there is absence of the nucleus, whatever the organelles असतील ते सुद्धा absent आहे. So nucleolus is not present in them. Into the eukaryote, nucleolus is present. But nucleus कसा आहे? What type of nucleus is present? It is a double layer. The whatever the chromatin material are present inside this nucleus is present, and which is protected one. And whatever the cell functions are there, which is governed by the nucleus is there. Nucleus is there because it contains genetic material in it, and it is thought to be, depending upon their function, it is thought to be that it is like a brain of our cell is there. It is like our brain of our cell is there, like us. What the function is, whatever the functions are there about us, all are decided by our brain is there. Where we want to go, where we want to do not go, where we have to not attend the lectures of man, whatever the decisions are there, voluntary or involuntary is there, whatever the function is governed by the brain is there. But into the cell, who is the boss? The nucleus is the boss. Nucleus decide whatever the function, whatever the things happen to the cell is decided by the nucleus is there. Why? Because the genetic material is present into that cell is there in the form of the DNA. And generally these DNA is attached with the histone proteins. Histone proteins ला ते attach असतात. Double stranded DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid, double stranded DNA, and which is attached with the histone protein is there. And this is the nucleus is there. This is about the eukaryotic cell is there. One more point is regarding about the cytoplasm is there. Cytoplasm is also plays key role into the eukaryote as all the organelles are embedded into the cytoplasm of the eukaryotes are there. And this is about the eukaryotic cell. If you have any kind of doubt, all of you can ask me. One of the organelle is remaining, I think. Which organelle is remaining? Anybody can know?
Centriole.
Centriole is, I told you about, that is centriole. From the soul, the microtubules are arises. Microtubules in the cytoskeleton. I told you this. क्या करता है centriole? From that, these tubules are going to form, which is acting as a center for formation of the microtubule. And from that microtubules, when there is a cell division, one cell is separated. Chromosomes are separated from each other with the help of these microtubules, with the help of these centriole. If the centriole is absent, okay, we thought like this way, if centriole is getting absent, then what happens? There is no formation of the microtubules. There is no formation of microtubules, and there is no cell division takes place. That is the important role of the centriole. Like ribosome, what it provides the site for protein synthesis. The like this way, the centriole is also provides the site for the synthesis of the microtubules. And also the very important part of this centriole is there. It eukaryotic flagella. eukaryotic flagella आपण the prokaryotic flagella जसं बघितलेलेच आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, what are the parts of that prokaryotic flagella? S ring, P ring, MS ring is there, and the hook is there, and then flagellum is there. The filament is there of the flagella is there. But eukaryotic flagella is coming from these centrioles. It will form from the centriole is there. Where it is present flagella, in which organelles, which organs, which organisms which carry flagella into them, that is arises from the centriole. Remember in mind that. That means it is a microtubule in nature, protein in nature. That protein flagella is made up of the protein is there, and which is formed from the centriole is there. Okay. The best example for the centriole flagellated eukaryote is Euglena. Euglena, if all of you study, they have 2 tentacles on it. Okay, 2 tentacles आहेत बघा त्याच्यावरती. You will study it, and we will discuss in the next lecture about the centriole also. Okay, this is about the eukaryotes. Now all of you can leave and join the next class. If you have doubt, all of you can ask me. I will wait for all of you.
मैम
Okay.
मैम
हाँ बोला.